Hello and welcome to ET Garage. Today's video, I'm going to test out these 8-inch recuperating saw blades with diamond grit. Made by Warrior. Picked these up at Harbor Freight, of course. And basically they say industrial diamond grit makes smooth straight cuts through hardest materials. Perfect for cutting cast iron, clay pipe, stone, brick, or marble. Nickel bonded, 1/2-inch universal shank. I'm going to mount this up in my Harbor Freight Sawzall, recuperating saw, and I'm going to test it out on a pipe and a brick. I don't have any clay pipe. I might even check it out on aluminum or something too, so we'll see how it goes. So stand by and I'll move the camera and we'll get to work on this and see how it works. Okay, I got the pipe mounted in the vise secure. Now unfortunately this vise has a vibration issue. If anyone has opinions on what to do about that, maybe fill the pipe with concrete or something, let me know. I am also going to use cutting oil when I cut metal. I'm a big user of cutting oil. Just in case, if you decide to use cutting oil, make sure it's cutting oil, not like a synthetic motor oil. If you do that, it probably won't cut at all. So I don't know. I'll see if I can time it somehow. But for now, I'm just going to line this baby up and go at it, I guess. See how it goes. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. This is not good for cutting cast iron pipe. I mean, even if this is steel pipe, it's not very good. I think I do have a piece of cast iron around, so let me try that just to see what happens. I'll hold on a second and I'll go ahead and mount that. Okay, this is cast iron here, or some type of cast metal, and this was a dressing wheel. I picked up a new one, instead of at Harbor Freight, a whole new one with the new wheels on it. So this one here, as far as I'm concerned, is disposable. I could probably use it for something, but I'm going to go ahead and we're going to see how it does. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Cast iron, it went through real good. Steel, that steel pipe. I thought it was cast iron, but I guess it's steel. So steel, it's not very good. Cast iron is very good. Let's try a piece of aluminum next, see what we do with that. Okay, this piece of aluminum, this is about angle iron. I think it's about 3/16 thick. Put some more cutting oil on there. And we'll see if we go through the aluminum. Okay, through the aluminum went pretty good. If I had cast aluminum, this would probably work even better. Now, let's go on to the brick. See how that does. All right, here we go, onto the brick. I'm using the same blade that I cut that steel pipe with, the piece of cast iron, and that aluminum with. So this pack does come with 2 blades, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. But here we go. All right, cut through that brick pretty good. It's not as, I don't believe it's as fast as a circular saw with a diamond masonry blade, based on my own experience. But it cut that one piece of cast iron good. It cut that aluminum good. That steel pipe, it didn't cut too good at all. Let me see if I can find something else to cut. Okay, I found a piece of rebar, and I'm going to put some cutting oil on there for that. I'm using the same blade. Still haven't switched that other blade yet, so see how that does. Okay, I'm not going to waste my time trying to cut all the way through that. It's taking a while. You can do faster with a cut-off blade on a angle grinder, or even a diamond cut-off blade that's made for metal on an angle grinder. Okay, here I got a piece of copper pipe. We're going to cut that, see how it does. All right, that was pretty good. I mean, if you needed to cut a piece of copper pipe in a jiffy and didn't have any other tool around, that'd be good. You'll have to do some deburring, depending what you're using it for. So, what else? I have this. You know what? Let me find a better piece. There we go. Something more substantial. Yeah, I think I'll go like that. I seriously doubt it's going to cut through that, but I'm going to try it. Didn't go through that rebar, didn't go through that metal pipe. Worked good on cast iron. Let's see. All right. I think that's pretty much it. On using like cast iron, the brick, what it's designed for, it's good. It worked good on, I'd use it on aluminum and copper. But like using it on here, you can see where it just wore that diamond cutting abrasion right off it. It's not doing anything. I mean, I could finish cutting through that. It's quicker. I mean, if you need to cut something made of steel, you're better off using a steel cutting blade that's made for steel, like a cut-off wheel on a angle grinder, or one of the carbide blades that they make for the recuperating saw blades. I'd say that's about it. Did work good on this piece of cast iron, and did work pretty decent on that brick. You can get faster results with when cutting metal with a regular metal cutting blade, but for cutting brick and what it's made for, tile and stuff, I can't imagine cutting a piece of tile with that way recuperating. So I would imagine it'd have to be a pretty good thick piece of tile to keep from breaking. Okay, I guess I'll just wrap it up. 8-inch Warrior 8-inch recuperating saw blades from Harbor Freight. You get 2 of them in a pack. This is the new one I still haven't used yet. It's I think I said something in the video about cutting tile, but it doesn't say tile on here. It says cast iron, clay pipe, stone, brick, or marble. In my opinion, if you got to cut that stuff, I think if you can do it with a circular saw blade, you're better off. Of course, you're limited by the size of your circular saw for the depth of cut you need to do, where this you can go up to 8 inches. So that's what's good about this. Like anything, cutting anything with your reciprocating coil, you got that vibration. I would definitely use this on cast iron pipe. I thought I had cast iron pipe. That pipe turned out to be steel. It worked good on this piece of cast iron handle, though. I felt it did pretty good on that. And it didn't do too bad on the aluminum either. It's not... When cutting steel, you're better off with a blade designed for steel. They have like the carbide blades that they have for recuperating saws, or the angle grinder with a cut-off blade. I like using the diamond blade on the cut-off wheel on the angle grinder for cutting metal. That's not as quick as one of the fiber blades, regular cut-off disc, but it makes a hell of a lot less dust and sparks. But anyway, this designed for mostly masonry work and cast iron pipe. So use it what it's intended for. Other things, it's not going to work as well. Use the appropriate blade. I got other projects I want to do. I haven't been making many videos lately. I got projects I got to do. I've been doing some projects in the shop. I haven't been videotaping them. They don't seem to get too many views. And so there are more projects on the vid I want to do, so I'll try and get back on that. And I guess I'll just end the video here. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.